If you've ever seriously considered eating healthy, you've probably heard of chicken and broccoli. I don't know how this combination of protein and greens became the icon of realistic diets, but it did and it works. I used to eat baked chicken and steamed broccoli, but that quickly grew boring. So I bought a wok and never looked back. Now I'm going to show you how to stir fry this duo so that you can enjoy it too. Here's what we're working with today: two chicken breasts, two broccoli crowns, a cup of mushrooms, and your choice of seasonings. Here are mine. Start by cutting the chicken into bite-sized pieces. You can skip this step if your grocery store is fancy enough to sell cubed chicken. I find that freezing and thawing the chicken makes it much easier to cut. When finished, it's time to oil up our wok, then add the chicken. Start by cooking the chicken on low. You still need to prep the other ingredients, and you don't want the chicken to finish before you. Next up are the mushrooms, the silent ingredient in chicken and broccoli. Sliced mushrooms are already close to the size we need, and if you really need to save 2 minutes, you could skip this step. But the mushrooms are a supplement to the chicken and broccoli, so I like to slice them up smaller. Once they're done, we can put them to the side. Take a minute to check on the chicken. When you hear it bubbling, it's time to stir it. Now the broccoli. Just slice the flores off the crown, then double back on any flores that are too large. Again, we're aiming for bite-sized here. Don't need any fancy knife work, just keep it simple. At this point, with nothing to distract us from the chicken, turn the heat up to medium. When the chicken is mostly cooked, add the mushrooms and broccoli. It's okay if they're still a little pink, that'll be gone by the time we finish. Now to get those seasonings on. Once you finish coating the top layer to taste, go ahead and mix that in. It should be about 5 minutes before the chicken is fully cooked, so just stir occasionally and make sure the chicken is ready before you turn off the stove. All that's left now is to serve. You should have 4 servings of stir-fried chicken and broccoli, unless you're hungry enough to cut it down to 3. Let's give it a taste. Mmm, hearty and full of flavor. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the recipe, and if you do cook it for yourself, let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Bye!